for reliability without breaking the bank, ensuring adult riders find the perfect balance between value and performance. There are many products available to choose cheap bikes for adults, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap bikes for adults from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hybrid Cruiser Bike. Experience the epitome of urban cycling with a meticulously designed, versatile ride that encapsulates both comfort and functionality. Crafted with precision and engineered for seamless performance, this bike boasts a sophisticated combination of features that cater to the discerning rider. Its 17-inch frame, meticulously tailored, ensures a perfect fit for riders spanning 5'5" to 5'9" in height. Equipped with a front suspension fork, an alloy crank, and a city-rise adjustable stem, every ride guarantees a tailored experience, adapting effortlessly to your preferred style and comfort. Tackling varied terrains is effortless with a 21-speed SRAM grip shifter and rear derailleur, providing a smooth transition for uphill ventures. The innovative alloy twist shifter harmoniously complements the four-finger brake levers, enhancing control and responsiveness. Convenience meets safety with the ProMax alloy linear pull brakes, delivering unwavering stopping power. The adjustable alloy head stem ensures easy angle modification for personalized riding comfort. Indulge in a luxurious journey with swept-back upright handlebars, a padded seat, and a lightweight yet robust aluminum frame. Complete with fenders for a clean ride shielded from dirt and a rear carrier adding convenience to your excursions, this bike epitomizes the perfect fusion of form, function, and comfort for urban explorers. Number 2. Schwinn Discover Hybrid Bike for Men and Women. Crafted for the urban explorer seeking a blend of precision and comfort, this bike embodies a fusion of innovation and tailored design. Boasting a 17-inch frame meticulously calibrated to suit riders standing between 5'5" to 5'9" tall, it ensures an optimal fit for effortless and enjoyable rides. Experience seamless transitions across varied terrains with the 21-speed SRAM grip shifter and rear derailleur, enabling smoother uphill pedaling. Complementing this is the alloy twist shifter, perfectly compatible with four-finger brake levers for enhanced control and agility. Reliability meets performance with ProMax alloy linear pull brakes, delivering consistent stopping power. Meanwhile, the adjustable alloy head stem facilitates easy angle adjustments, tailoring the ride to your comfort preferences. Delight in the comfort of swept-back upright handlebars, a padded seat, and a durable yet lightweight aluminum frame, ensuring a pleasurable journey every time. Shielded by fenders, your ride stays pristine, protecting against dirt, while the rear carrier adds convenience to your expeditions. Effortlessly marrying form and function, this bike embodies the ultimate urban companion, promising a harmonious blend of comfort, reliability, and adaptability for every excursion. Number 3. Cruiser Bike. Ride in classic style and comfort with this men's beach cruiser, designed for leisurely rides through the neighborhood. Its durable 19-inch steel frame embodies timeless elegance, while offering a relaxed, ergonomic riding position that keeps your back and shoulders at ease. The single-speed design ensures smooth cruising on flat terrains, equipped with pedal-backward coaster brakes for effortless stops. For added precision, it features both a front handbrake and a rear coaster brake. The white cruiser handlebar, adorned with foam grips, enhances control and comfort throughout your journey. With a sleek curvy frame and blacked-out components, this bike exudes style. Its dual-spring saddle adds comfort, while the included matching fenders and rear rack allow customization with accessories like baskets or panniers. Rolling on quality 26-inch wheels with 2-inch semi-slick tires, this beach cruiser guarantees a cushioned and stable ride, perfect for laid-back adventures. Number 4. Mungus Mountain Bicycles. Embrace the rugged outdoors with an aluminum mountain bike engineered for strength and reliability. Its hydroform tubing contributes to a robust frame, complemented by a potent front suspension fork, ensuring durability on challenging trails. Tailored with 26-inch wheels accommodating riders between 5'4" to 6'2", this bike promises a comfortable and personalized fit. Experience seamless gear transitions through 21-speed shifters, guaranteeing an effortlessly smooth cycling journey every time. Depend on the front and rear V-brakes for swift and efficient stops, ensuring safety and control during your trail adventures. Featuring lightweight and durable alloy rims paired with 26x 2.125-inch tires, this bike effortlessly conquers diverse terrains. Arriving 80% assembled, it requires standard tools such as a socket wrench, Allen wrenches, an open-ender adjustable wrench, scissors, grease, and screwdrivers, ensuring hassle-free assembly before embarking on your exhilarating outdoor escapades. Number 5. Folding Bike. Discover the epitome of convenience with this lightweight, foldable bike featuring a step-through frame designed for seamless storage. Tailored to fit riders between 4'8" to 6'2", its foldable nature ensures easy storage without compromising on performance. Effortlessly transition through gears with the 7-speed twist shifter, promising smooth and precise shifting during your rides. With front and rear linear pull brakes, experience reliable and secure stops, ensuring your safety on every journey. Equipped with a rear cargo rack for bags and the ability to fold up neatly into a heavy-gauge nylon bag, this bike offers unparalleled portability and storage convenience. Ideal for commuting, its 20-inch alloy wheels paired with street tires promise a comfortable and efficient ride along city streets. This bike embodies the perfect fusion of practicality and performance, designed to enhance your urban commuting experience with style and ease. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.